Hello and welcome to the quick video about a couple of things that I would recommend that you check if you're getting a navigation not safe in INAV. Now this is the quad that I built quite a little while ago now with INAV, initially with Betaflight, then put INAV in it, stuck a GPS at the back. And interestingly, after not having this question at all for ages, I've had quite a few people over the last couple of weeks as I'm making this video get in touch saying, I've got a GPS lock, I've got 11 GPS satellites, but it's still saying navigation is not safe, I can't arm. What do I need to check? So let's go through this in this video. Let me just plug this into the computer and go through the two things that I recommend that you check. The first one, if I just click on connect here on the computer, is to go and check that your GPS is happy. See, navigation isn't safe. Now the main big reason that you're going to get this is because the GPS hasn't got a good enough lock. Now it's a common misconception that all you need for a GPS lock is lots of satellites. Actually, there are two things that you really need. One is lots of satellites, and the second is a low HDOP number, less than 2.0. HDOP is kind of how INAV figures out how good the 3D lock is. That degree of precision as it goes below 2.0, along with having enough satellites, is what tells INAV that it's good enough to position itself on the face of the planet. And it needs that because by default, when you arm the model, it's going to store that location as the home location and try and fly back to it in the event of a problem if you've got return to home set up. So here in INAV, we can see it says navigation is not safe, and that's because at the moment the GPS doesn't have enough satellites. The way that I do this when I'm flying is I go into the on-screen display tab, and here in the top left-hand corner, I actually show the HDOP on the screen underneath the number of satellites. That then allows me to track not only when I have enough satellites, typically 6 or 7 or more, but also when the HDOP is less than 2.0. When both of those conditions are met, you're ready to fly. So just because you have 10, 11 satellites might not mean that they are in a good enough position in the sky for it to be used to get a really good, accurate lock on the planet. You need to have them you need to have enough GPS satellites and also have them in the right place in order for the HDOP to get less than 2.0. It also appears that there is a short-term issue with the INAV upgrade with a couple of targets where the setting for HDOP isn't being done correctly, and you need to check whether or not INAV max EPH EPV is set to something like 1000. It appears that in some of the updates it's been set to a very low number, even down as far as 1. You need to update it to it's about 1000, and that will mean that the HDOP is being recognized correctly when it's at a sufficient level. So that's not something that's probably going to be here for a very long time, but it's worthwhile checking if you've been upgrading to INAV in the spring and summer of 2025. Hopefully this will be sorted so that it won't be an issue moving forward. The other most common issue that I see is when I'm trying to help somebody and we go in the mode screen, it is incredibly complicated with loads and loads of modes set up, and you cannot arm if you are in things like return to home mode. You cannot arm if you're in things like waypoint mode. So if you have a really complicated setup where you're using things with nav at the beginning, so nav course hold, nav cruise, nav waypoint, nav return to home, nav position hold, these kind of things, if you have those and they're selected typically by being kind of blue over here, everything's grey at the moment because I'm in failsafe. But the way I recommend that you do this is simply get rid of all of the modes apart from arm and horizon and see whether or not with everything else deleted, just, come over here and hit the X button to get rid of them. If you get rid of everything else, does then that fix the problem? And most of the time it does. It's very easy to accidentally find that you've got some things set up like pause hold, return to hold or something else, and it won't arm like that. The way I fly is I arm in horizon, which is why it's down here, and then all these other modes are modes that I'll flick into once I'm flying. So those are the two most, by far and away, the most common issues that I bump into. First and foremost is the HDOP isn't low enough, even though you appear to have enough satellites, i.e. more than 6 or 7, or you have something set up in your modes tab that needs nav to fly that is a mode that you can't arm in, so that isn't considered safe. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 60 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.